I'm going to show you how to write and structure your video script for YouTube so that you don't have to memorize every single line. Are you ready? Hey entrepreneur, it's Salma Jafri from salmajafri.com, and you are in the right place if you want to grow your personal brand with video. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first to know when I upload a new video. One of my clients said to me that, Salma, I'm making recipe videos and how can I write a script? Because it's really hard because I'm saying the script as I'm going to be making the recipe, right? And that got me thinking, and I was like, well, you know what? You don't have to actually write a script if you don't want to or can't for that particular video. But even though not every video needs a script, every video does need a structure. And in this video, I'm going to show you 5 elements that every single video needs to give it structure so you don't ramble and go off on a weird tangent. So the first thing every single video needs is a good hook. The hook is your opening statement and it delivers on the promise of your title. Whatever your title is, make sure that the hook tells people they're in the right place and you're actually going to deliver on the title. That is the entire purpose of the hook. Then is your intro. Your intro is about who you are and why people should be watching you. So for example, in my intro, I say, if you want to grow your personal brand with video, then you're in the right place. So I'm telling them that they're in the right place if this is what they want to do. So have your intro as a repeatable sentence that you use every single time so people get familiar with who you are and why they should be there and why they should subscribe to your channel. The third thing that you should the third thing that you should have in as a repeatable structure in your videos is some kind of interactivity. So you want to either tell people to click on a card, you want them to leave a comment below, you want to give them something to do within your video. I typically have a number of interactive things happening. I'll tell people to watch this video after that, to download this, to click here, to comment here. So you want to build in some level of interactivity. So that's the third kind of structure to embed into your video script. The fourth kind of structure are the meat of your content, your talking points, or in my client's case, her recipe. So you want to make sure that you keep that short and sweet and you know exactly the main points that you want to cover in that video. You do not have to script it. You do not have to memorize your points. You just need to know what are the 3 main things or 5 or whatever, however many that you are going to cover in that particular video. So know your talking points. Before you press the record button, you absolutely must know what your call to action is. What would you like people to do at the end of your video? Is it to go watch another video? Is it to go download something? Is it to talk with you in the comment section? Give them something very, very specific to do at the end of every single video. And finally, the last thing that you should have in every video is your outro. So for example, I say, remember to go after what you want and build a brand you love so you can be the media, right? So you want to have some thing that you say that is your slogan, that is your thing. So you want to end your videos on something unique. Now, all of this structure gives your video branding. It gives your video consistency. It gives your video flow. It keeps you on point. It doesn't allow you to ramble too much or go off on a tangent. And YouTube videos are all about staying on point, giving value up front, and making sure each point flows into the next. And also having this whole structure in place is going to build familiarity with your audience because they're going to know what comes first, what comes next, what things are included in every single one of your videos. So if you can't script your videos, then at least structure your videos, and you want to make sure that you don't memorize your entire video, but just memorize the structure. Okay, your hook. What is your hook? And that is what I use my phone for, which apparently I forgot to use in this video. So weird, but it was right there and I was looking at it. So you do want to make sure that, okay, what's your hook? Take a look. Okay, this is my hook. And then say it on the camera. Okay, what's my intro? Take a look and then say it on the camera and so on. So your video does have that structure, but you're not killing yourself with trying to memorize a million lines. Sound good? If you liked it, then tell me in the comments below what are the main elements that you're going to put in your video to give it more structure. I would love to know. If you want a sample video script, then be sure to download my video content plan and go on the second tab in that Excel sheet, and it's going to give you a sample video script that you can use to add structure to your videos. Be sure to go after what you want and build a brand you love because you can be the media.